Like the barcode, you're gonna head right this way.
What happens if someone comes in after you?
As far as I'm aware, I think it's
Oh, okay.
If it doesn't let you, you'll be okay.
Try and see if it works for you.
Let's see. I think it's my device.
Oh, okay, so go over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm good. Okay.
All right. Okay.
No, you're good. Look, come on in, friends.
what's up? Welcome, guys.
All right.
Party.
Yeah, I know. That's cool. Oh. That's a cool little
Oh, really? It's worse than Splash? Really?
Listen very closely when you see Mama Odie.
Ah, okay.
That actually tells a specific part of the story that you don't know. There it is. It's very, very famous. There's a hint of it right here.
I smell like a little vanilla, sugary vanilla. And then varnish over them too.
Oh.
And not just like 5 o'clock at night. Yeah, there's an exit there. That's for
All right. Interesting.
You get very do not go in the front.
Oh, okay. Go for the back.
Yes, go in the back.
I think I'll try back. It's a lot colder here.
¿Cómo están, amigos? Por su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuiden a sus pequeños.
Okay. We're probably just like, all right, I'll take 4.
Thank you.
Oh, it's wet.
Oh boy, we're gonna die. Soaky butt.
I was right. No, I'm gonna
right, Lewis. We're just hitting our stride.
You don't have far to go. Tell the people about the zombie show.
Both my shoes are gone. Okay, I'm gonna have squishy shoes for the rest of the day. Wow. Yay, much lighter. That's all.
filled with beautiful people. And you're beautiful. And you're beautiful. Now y'all gonna have a good time.
Grab all your things and exit to your left. Welcome back, buddy. Please remain seated until your boat returns to the dock. Then grab your belongings and exit to your left. Welcome back, y'all. Please remain seated until your boat docks and comes to a complete stop. Then gather up your belongings.
Very, very wet. Oh, God. Yeah, the water poured in and filled up my shoes on the right side and filled up my shoes on the left side.
Last time I started 3, I didn't get
Yeah, so turns out 4 is just as bad. I think all the so even the back is bad.
Yeah, I got really wet.
Wow.
First drop, the water poured in.
Yeah, I think I poured in the whole boat. Okay, much wetter than Florida. Yeah. Florida is just a nice spray that's refreshing. This one dunks you.
The first time I went on, I started running. Luckily, my boat wasn't that crowded. There was a bunch of little kids.
Yeah, so I think the best thing right is if you're by yourself, you sit in the middle and you should be fine.
Yeah, but the heavier it is, the more water.
Yeah. Oh, gosh. All right, well, I'm going to have squishy shoes for the rest of the day.
How much longer are you here for?
Till closing.
Sorry, I didn't think 4 would be that bad.
No, me neither. Normally 4 is okay. Oh, good. We got pictures, actually.
Front row, that's where it's at, really.
Oh, why is this so bright?
Wow, it's like, that's...
I can't even see the picture.
Where?
I'll put on my phone.
Oh, there it is.
My camera gets cut off.
Yeah, me with the silly hat.